कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir. Reply to start question number 1. No, sir. Light snacks were served during the opening ceremony celebrations of the game, which also include the visit of the Honorable President of India as a chief guest.
Yes.
Sir, I would indeed be shocked if the reply is yes, because I know that the government will always be in a denial mode. So, sir, my question here is whether the government, the sport department supplied junk foods to the athletes during the Meghalaya Games 2024 held at Tura, and the reply is no. So, sir, it is further replied that light snacks were served during the opening ceremony celebration of the games, which also include the visit of the Honorable President of India as a chief guest. So, sir, do you mean that the athletes and the manager cannot differentiate between the snacks served during the visit of the President and the food that they are supposed to get?
Not clear.
Sir, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir. Sir, due to the visit of the Honorable President of India as to grace the occasion as the chief guest, there were certain protocols that we had to follow. So hence, sir, in the morning we've asked all the athletes to have a heavy breakfast, and before leaving all the venues, we've asked them to serve brunch as well, sir. So due to the visit of the Honorable President, so certain protocols we had to follow. That is the main reason why, sir, during the day we only served snacks, light snacks, but then an early dinner was served as well, sir.
So, immediately after the news spread that athletes were served with junk foods, there has been a hue and cry across the state, especially against the state government. So I feel that this is a very bad news to be circulated. So may I know what action has been taken? May I know what action has been taken on the part of the government against those media houses or anyone who spread that kind of news?
So no action was taken, sir, regarding that matter, because, sir, I think not everyone has spread. Maybe 1 or 2 person who's gotten that photo has spread the photo. So there was no question of having to hold someone accountable for it, sir.
No, sir, because there is a video being circulated through news media that a manager of those athletes expressed displeasure and disappointment about the food being served to the athletes. So you cannot deny the fact that the news was circulated and the people of the state have seen that news.
So, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, so we're not denying, sir, but then, like I said, sir, we have taken a decision to only serve light snacks because the Honorable President of India had visited, and there were so many protocols that we had to follow. So hence, sir, that was the main reason why we served the light snacks. But then, sir, in the world of social media, as you know, everyone can spread anything at any time. And maybe 1 or 2 persons, sir, who has gotten that video, has taken that video and has spread it across the state. So like I said, we decided to serve light snacks was only due, because of the visit of the Honorable President of India, sir.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center